Hi, everyone. A common question we get is, what is an escrow account? It's a term that's used in the mortgage industry that's not commonly used elsewhere. And so what it means is escrow account is a fancy word for savings account. So when you purchase a home, the lender collects money at closing in most cases and will set aside money in an escrow account for you, and that money is a savings account. It's always your money, and it's used to pay taxes, property taxes, and homeowners insurance. And those are typically the only two things the escrow account is used for. And when you're looking at quotes from lenders, it can get very confusing because you'll get a quote from one lender and it'll say on the quote that you need 4 months of property taxes at $200 a month, and they want to put $800 in your escrow account. And you'll get a quote from another lender that says you need 10 months of property taxes at $200 a month, and they want to put $2,000 in the escrow account. And people oftentimes think, well, I'm going on the first lender, it's a lot cheaper. It has nothing to do with the lender. The amount of property taxes and the number of months that go into the account are governed under federal law, and they strictly have to do with when the next tax bill is due in the municipality you're buying the house in relation to what time of year you're closing. And the government's pretty strict on how much money has to be held in an escrow account, how much money can be held in an escrow account. And it's one of those things that changes all the time. But it's important for you to know that you don't want to compare lenders based on how they set up an escrow account. But accuracy is important. You know, if the person, and we see this a lot from either lenders that don't know or they just are trying to make the numbers look a little less, they'll use that smaller number and only collect a few months in escrow so that the cash to close looks smaller. They might estimate your taxes too low, and then the payment looks less, and then you get surprised at closing, and that's never what anyone wants. So it's important to know what an escrow account is, but when you're comparing lenders and you're getting your quotes, you don't really want to compare lenders based on that because they don't control it. For more information about escrow accounts or to learn how to compare lenders, call us. We'd be happy to help. Thanks so much.